Today I'm going to show you how to make a Windows form using this IDE. So this is the bar where I'm going to design the things, and first of all I will introduce the division part on my screen. This is the design part, and this is the toolbox for we're going to use a drag and drop, and this is a solution explorer from where we can add our multiple items. This is the property bar. So let's start with it. So first of all, we need a label. Well, label is something which will appear a message. So we are going to press L or hit double click and it's appeared. So we're gonna write something like a basic form. So from properties you can change the value basic form and changes appear. So we need to format this further, so you can still go to the properties and change the font size and other properties for the label. So we're going to use Palatino and we're going to increase the size to 22. Press OK. So it's appeared. So basic. So again we're going to use the label for the name part and other functions. So again we're going to change the name. So we are label to instead of write name and name. So we copy again paste instead of name and write that email. Okay. Well, it is so automatic that it auto aligns, so you can see those lines, email, then again label. So copy, control E. This is email. Okay. Change again this email. Then you can write address. Okay. So align it again. This is not currently aligned. So okay. So now we need a text box from where user will input the credentials. So double click and I use this. Well, you can see there's that line below this and the view line. So you can see it says where your pointer is, copy, paste, paste. Okay. So we're gonna align it properly. Okay, yes. So now we're going to use a button. When user will press on button, the form will be submitted. Button, and we'll put it over here. We'll change the name of the button. You can say like submit. Okay, and so your GUI is ready, but in background your data goes nowhere. So let's compile it and see how it is working. So you can see your form has been created, a basic form. You can enter like me from here, my email address is okay, and I say in India. Like when you press submit, nothing happens. Nothing actually happens. So you can also change the icon of this form or .exe. You can also change the name. You can also change or remove this option. So let's check it out. So first of all, we're going to change the name of this. Okay, so we're going to write like a basic form, and also you can change the icon over here. You can just scroll up and you can also see here we're having option icon. You can also change the icon if you're having good .ico file, and you can also change the icon for this program. So our next question is when user click on the submit button, will display a message. So double click on the design bar, double click on the button, and it will lead to the coding part of the button. So well, here is this is a .bb, which is a coding part of your form, and this is the design part. So whatever you're going to code in this coding bar, and that will be appeared on that button. So whatever programming you're going to do, that will act on the behalf of that button. So we are having the button, and we are using click event. Like here we are having so many events: mouse engine, mouse over, mouse leave, mouse. There are different events we have, but we're gonna use click event, and we're gonna write, and we're gonna just prompt a message. Okay, so we're going to use message box, and we're gonna say success. Success, your form has been submitted. Okay, let's compile F5, and let's enter file name fs3nl at the rate of gmail.com, and I say yes, submit. Cool, it's working. Success, the form has been submitted. Hit OK. So did you saw some changes? Submit. So now we have to change this Windows application name, like it should look so professional. So close it out, and we're gonna double click again. We're gonna change the values for form. So we're gonna separate it by comma, and so we're having a different. We're having so many suggestions, like the message is critical, your message is having an application modal, your application is providing information about abort or ignore or retry, or it is showing some exclamation or information, message box, start program. There are so many, but in our case we are providing some information, so we're going to use information again comma, and here it shows the title bar of the dialog box. So what should be the title? That's our main question. So we're going to change to success. So whenever you pass any string, you need to apply it in the double quote form. So let's compile F5, and again I'm gonna write my name fnlfs3nil@gmail.com, and yeah, submit. Cool, it's working. So you can see the title bar has been changed. We are providing information. Success, your form has been submitted. Hit OK, and done. Your form is now ready. But the data is going nowhere. For that, you need to make some databases over this application that you can maintain, and you can deal with the database. Thank you for watching my video. Keep subscribing for more latest video. Thank you.